pandemic taught us a lot to. I think that was the biggest Big Boss ever that we faced, all of us. If they let me cook, they have to. All the other inmates will have to suffer a lot. I think Big Boss से भी ज़्यादा बहुत कुछ experience किया life में तो we are surprised at why people are making such an issue when we don't have an issue about it.
बिग बॉस ओटीटी ने ऑलरेडी काफी ज्यादा हाइप क्रिएट कर दिया है। कौन नजर आने वाला है घर के अंदर और कैसा होगा इन कंटेस्टेंट्स का सफर, कंट्रोवर्सीज का लेवल क्या होने वाला है, टास्क का दीवानापन क्या दिखाने वाला है हमें स्क्रीन के ऊपर, बिकॉज वोट पे कोई भी फिल्टर नहीं नजर आने वाला है। वेल, इसी खेल को खेलने के लिए आ रहे हैं कुछ ऐसे कलाकार जिनको आप लोगों ने टीवी स्क्रीन पे, बॉलीवुड की दुनिया में और साथ ही साथ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की तरीके से देखा है। वेल, आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही खास कलाकार जुड़ने वाले हैं इसी जर्नी में से, जिनका नाम है राकेश बापर, जिनको आप लोगों ने काफी ज्यादा प्यार दिया था तुम बिन मूवी में, और उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी इन टेलीविजन काफी ज्यादा उम्दा तरीके से एंजॉय भी करी है। Today, let's see what Rakesh has got to share about his plan and plotting and why Big Boss OTT this time, even though he had denied the show a multiple number of times in the past. So let's see what we have today to share with you all in the Big Boss ka this segment with me, Vishakha Pandey.
Well, I would say I have a great guest with me today here at Telechakra, जिनको अब हम Big Boss OTT पे देखने वाले हैं। राकेश, firstly, welcome to Telechakra. Pleasure having you here.
Same here, same here.
What I would first try to sink in that, Rakesh is gonna be in Big Boss. Like, why Big Boss? I would say for you.
That's a big question I asked myself. Maybe I wanted to try it sometime in life, because yes, till last time I used to get calls and I used to always refuse it because I was not ready for it, prepared for it. But this time I think I got ready somewhere because the team I spoke to and somewhere had confidence in them and I really liked them. And secondly, pandemic taught us a lot to, I think that was the biggest Big Boss ever that we faced, all of us, to be self-sufficient and to be, self-reliant and living in minimalistic. And also there is always this mental health issues that we have been speaking about. Like you have to be strong where the mind is concerned, and you have to there's uncertainty obviously in the future, and for everybody was going through this turmoil. And I think that prepared all of us to become more stable. I mean, I became more stable, I could understand. Luckily, the situations were much better with me. I was in a blessed situation where I could help people around me. So as a visual art therapist, I realized that, there's so much that the mind has to offer and, can be controlled and not controlled, leashed or unleashed, So it is, so that triggered me a lot. And also that taught me that Big Boss is about mind games, your mind has to be stronger, how you cope up with it and all that.
You are somebody who is not out there. Like, your life is not out there. It's all under wraps. But being a part of Big Boss kind of a show is, layer by layer, things come out some way or the other. Do you have these qualms in your head that, what will I do if certain things, maybe I don't like sharing my past life, my personal life, my anything. So how will Rakesh react to such situations when he's put into that? Like,
I don't think, I think all my things have been out there in the open. And I've been a very open person. And I don't believe in hiding anything, because this is what I am, and this is what you see is what you get from me. So that is not a worry for me. It's just that, staying in that house with so many people, and probably it's not about being outrageous, because a group of people can be outrageous, one group of people can be little like me, who can carry the goodness on their shoulders and try to be little modest and humbled by life in general. So maybe that's I think there's a balance always. You don't need to be always over the top. You can have a variety as well. So I think I will be one of the variety that we are talking about right now.
You said 2 is more than 2 people are like a crowd to you. But what qualities in a person just triggers you and you prefer being away from them?
I don't like hypocrisy. I don't like falsehood, honestly speaking. Jo hai muh pe bolo, I mean, whatever it is, you don't have to and say the truth if you want to. Don't cook up stories for the heck of it. It doesn't make sense. And I don't like falsehood. Like I like being transparent. I like transparent people around me. So that is a big turn off for me.
Do you mentally think that, अगर Big Boss में कोई एक ऐसी चीज आपको देनी पड़े for the sake of a task to survive in the house, would you be willing to do that thing, or you will be like, I'll keep this and I will prefer going? What is it gonna be like?
जो भी ले जाए, मेरा सोल ना ले जाए कोई, बस.
Okay, what kind of a performer are you? Will you be giving like you're a team performer, or are you a solo performer? What do you like better?
No, I'm a leader. I will always be.
Is there anything that you would not be able to comfortable to be perform there? Like, जैसे घर के सारे काम करने पड़ते हैं, हर contestant को they are divided work. Every week a captain is chosen and then, they assign you work and everything. So, as in a Rakesh, आप क्या है जो ऐसा करने में comfortable नहीं है?
I'm actually comfortable doing it because I have an OCD problem. So I think I love cleanliness and I love hygiene. So cleaning वगैरह कोई problem नहीं मेरे लिए. So I think that is cooking is something which I really don't know how to cook. If they let me cook, they have to. All the other inmates will have to suffer a lot.
Is there anything that they should be aware of you? Because as a person, like you just said that, hypocrisy आपको पसंद नहीं है, but in an individual, what is it that actually tricks you off and a fight can be, created out of it? ऐसा कुछ है that?
There are no preparation, honestly speaking, because I don't know who the contestants are and I don't know what strategies are they going to apply. I don't know whether I will be able to, understand their strategies or be able to play the game correctly. That's why I'm saying I want to play each day as it comes, like I don't want to, I'm not here to lift the trophy or anything. I'm just looking for going through it and last as much as I can and just be myself and be honest to what I am. I mean, just do that and I'll be like happy to till whichever levels I go to in Bigg Boss.
I would say that you have been in the industry for a very long span of time, and I'm sure a lot of your friends have been a part of Bigg Boss. घर में आकर दर्शन देके जा चुके हैं. Did they give you any kind of a feedback? Like, even though you were a speculated name and not sure, but then did they give you some feedback or some preparation tips or something?
Actually, I've not told anybody, apart from very few people. No, I don't know any ex-Bigg Boss contestant that I would go to and ask him or her.
But the people who you told and you shared, what were their reaction? What tips have they given to you?
How are you going to cope up? This is not completely your style at all. So they were pretty shocked and they told me like, just be yourself because that is something that people would want to see.
Do we expect like a change, Rakesh, when you come out of the house, whenever you come out of the house, like, or do we expect the same vibe or the same?
I don't think I'll change because I think I've faced enough in life. I think Bigg Boss से भी ज़्यादा बहुत कुछ experience किया life में तो I think I've still being a very humble person all my life. So I think I will stay like that. It's just a game and I'll be in and out of that.
Until मतलब आप खुद as a person आप अपना सफर कब तक देखते हैं? Like, do you see until the 6 weeks or do you see until on the finale stage holding the trophy? What is that you expect out of yourself?
I don't know. Like in last, I think cross the bridge when it comes. Honestly speaking, I cannot just build castles in thin air. I want to just stay focused on every day, and I should, at the end of the day, whatever we do, I should hit the sack and sleep well. That's what I want to achieve out of it, and just be there, make good friends, try to make good friends, try to convince people that there is more than hatred, there should be love. Or whatever game you play, it's fine, but at the end of it, don't take it too seriously, don't take it too personally. That's what is very important.
Bigg Boss में a lot of things come out. So are you comfortable अगर आपकी unfortunately the wedding had just called off, मतलब it ended and everything, and Bigg Boss के घर में if ever a contestant or maybe the host or anyone just drops that question up, is Rakesh comfortable talking about it on national television, or you will just put it a stop there and then be like, let's go to the next topic?
See, everybody knows what happened. I mean, it was a very dignified place to be in. We both are mature people, and sometimes these things happen with everywhere and with everyone. So it doesn't matter. I mean, we both are mature. We are surprised at why people are making such an issue when we don't have an issue about it. So that's the thing, So it's not a problem, actually, honestly speaking.
Any parting words for your fans who are going to watch you and they have supported you until now, but they will support you all the more now in this Anokhi si journey of yours? What do you have to tell them?
I feel just keep supporting me for 20 years, past 20 years since Kumbin, they have been just giving me the love and support and everything. You know, there was a dialogue in, तो मुझे आपके सहारे की जरूरत थी, मुझे तुम्हारा सब साथ चाहिए इस सफर में. कुम्बिन की बहुत फेमस लाइन थी और मैं अभी वो लाइन बहुत मायने रखती है मेरे लिए क्योंकि it does make sense now कि I really need your support in this and this journey will be incomplete if you guys are not there. So please just go ahead and come up and let's do it together.
Well, I wish you all the luck. Even though you are taking a day at a time, we will hope to see you next time in the finales itself so that, you know, we get to see your journey, long journey in the Bigg Boss Ka Ghar. It was a pleasure having you here, Rakesh Patelli Chakkar. I wish you all the luck.
Thank you so much. Pleasure's mine.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहां आज बिग बॉस के खिलाड़ी राकेश बाबट मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए थे. I really hope that you guys are gonna support his journey throughout जब तक वो बिग बॉस के घर में बने हुए हैं. And if you like the chat session, नीचे बने comment section में बताना ना भूलिएगा. And also stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates about the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.